Hi, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I purchased a few vintage Chanels. I've been having my eye, I've been really wanting to add a vintage lambskin small flap to my collection, and I saw that there was a small double flap, two that were in really good condition, and then a square one. I forgot the exact name, they're slightly different. So I went ahead and purchased. I'm not going to be able to keep all of them, but I thought I would just do a reveal. It's from Fashionphile again, so here's the paperwork. Cute little nail file right here. Okay, and this is, they put like lots of cute confetti, which is adorable. I'm just gonna get this out. Okay, here's bag number one. Ooh, she's so pretty. Yep, this is it. Oh my gosh, she's in beautiful condition. Wow, this is just gorgeous. Okay, so there's the first one. Here is the second one. This one's nice because it comes with a box, although it's not absolutely necessary. Wow, look at this vintage dust bag. Oh my gosh, this one is also really gorgeous. So this is a small double flap. In very good condition. Wow. There's that. Okay. And the last one, I believe, is another small double flap that was in very similar condition and came with everything, so I just figured I would get both and see which one was better. Oh, she does not come with a dust bag. It's interesting. Okay. Here she is. So, which one do you think I should keep? Should I keep the small double flap or the square one? I don't know. Unfortunately, keeping all of them is definitely not an option, so let me know in the comments which one you think would be better. I already have a medium caviar, but I've been really wanting to add a vintage lambskin one, especially with the gold hardware, because the vintage pieces, these are plated in 24 karat gold, which unfortunately they don't do that with the newer ones, which is sad. So all right, that's it. Those are the three new bags. Let me know which one I should keep. Thanks.